crispy pork. Ooh. One thing I will say when I'm walking around these markets, I do get very, very hungry indeed. Swaddy carp, Logan juice, that is delicious. Well, a very good evening from Phuket. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday the 24th of May. We're going to be taking a look at the Boat Avenue market. Now this is a more touristy market. It runs every Friday evening here in Cherng Talay and it finishes around 10:30, starts at 4 p.m. As you can see behind me, it is actually just being set up because it's just after 4 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you're going to come here, maybe come a little bit later than 4 o'clock because I'm going to wait until most of it's set up before I start filming. Let's get into the video and take a look at this market. Now straight off the bat I can see that this is slightly bigger than it used to be. We've got another section just here off the main section of the market. So I'm guessing this is a fairly new addition. I haven't noticed that before, but that's great because it makes the market a little bit bigger. So I've been waiting a little while for the market to get going. They've been setting it up for quite a while. It's now coming up to 5 o'clock in the evening and most of the stalls are open. I'm starting at the food end first. This market is dominated by food, so if you're coming here and you're hungry, then you really shouldn't have any problem finding something to eat. Chicken looks delicious. Crispy fried chicken. Ho, 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 ho. For you meat carnivores, plenty of delicious meat available down here. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh, the smell of that cooking is making me very hungry indeed. Of course, if you're looking to get some food and drink, there's plenty of little places, Swaddy carp, where you're going to be able to pick up a drink. There's a place just behind me. This is where they used to have the live music. I've noticed that they've moved it just a little bit further up. This one's a Japanese steakhouse. There's a little stall there on the corner. Papaya salad. Definitely recommend you trying that. It can be spicy. You can obviously ask them to make it not quite as spicy. My favourite is the chicken or the pork. Traditional papaya salad is made with crab. I'm not a big seafood lover. However, the wife, Nat, she loves papaya salad, but I always go for the chicken or pork. Swaddy carp. Oh, such a diverse choice down here at the market. Really do have a wide choice. Over the years the choices on food has increased dramatically from when I first started coming to the market in Thailand 20 years ago. It was very, very little foreign food, mainly all Thai food on the markets. Of course, some swimwear, underwear, t-shirts. Reasonable choice down here actually of accessories, clothing, bags, shoes, that type of thing. As you will see as we progress, even tropical fish there. Some very, very pretty ones. That is a grapefruit. Very, very nice. Swaddy carp. Now you can have the red, or I guess you'd call it the yellow. Nat calls it the white, but I call it the yellow. That's in between the two. The redder the grapefruit, the more sweeter it is. But even the yellow grapefruit here in Thailand is not sour like the grapefruits in the UK. One of my favourites. The good old kebab. Swaddy carp. sausages there. German bratwursts. As I say, the choice now on the Thai markets is quite amazing, really. Dim sum. I do like dim sum in the evening. A lot of the Thais eat it for breakfast. I'm not so keen for breakfast, but as an evening dish, it is delicious. I'm guessing mango sticky rice, not quite set up yet. Something that you should definitely try here in Thailand. Swadee Kap. Oh, those look nice. Very well, thank you. How are you?
Not bad.
Yeah, they look delicious.
Yeah, we have spare ribs.
Yeah?
Chinese style. We're ready within 5 minutes.
Okay, they look really
It's gonna be
nice.
done like this.
Okay, barbecued ribs. I have shown this a few times where they make the ice cream on this seriously cold plate. They freeze it and they make it there. We're coming into the area now where you're going to be able to find souvenirs, etc. Swadee Kap. Little music boxes. I've not seen that before. So if you're after something a little bit different as a souvenir to take home, maybe the music boxes, some very nice bags there. Again, some very nice bags. Swadee Kap. Some jewellery. Ladies, if you're interested in some cosmetic jewellery, got a good choice on that one. When I was wandering around while they were still setting up, they got some interesting stuff on this store. You might want to come and take a look at this. It's not your average stuff. Some nice, very nice statues over the back. Swadee Kap. Some interesting stuff on there. Very interesting. Nice to see a little bit of variety down on the markets, because some of the markets can be very repetitive, but this one has got a really good, Swadee Kap, a really, really good choice. Good job Nat's not with me. She'd be wanting to buy one of these for Shadow. Every time we go out, she sees these toys. She wants to get one for the dog. And then we're going back into another section with food. So quite a lot of food here, as you will see. Shadow's favourite. Aloe vera. Not tried that. Gonna have to try that one of these nights. I've not tried the aloe vera drink. Obviously you can use it as an after sun, but I haven't tried it as a drink. Pad Thai by the looks of it. Oh, something you have to try if you're coming to Thailand. Pad Thai, chicken, pork, crispy belly pork, all different ones, prawn. Now as you can see, there's actually going to be 2 rows going down here, so you've got some clothing on the one side and the other side, lots and lots of food to pick from. Crispy pork. Oh. One thing I will say when I'm walking around these markets, I do get very, very hungry indeed. Swadee Kap, Logan juice, that is delicious. And it is very good if you have mouth ulcers. If you drink that, it helps to get rid of mouth ulcers. It has been well over a year since I last visited this market, closer to 2 years I think, and in that time I can see there have been some significant changes. The market itself has got a little bit bigger than it used to be, which is great, and the choice of goods have got a little bit broader. As you can see in front of us there is handcrafted trays and also handcrafted coasters. Now the trays might be a little bit big to take home with you on an aeroplane, put them in your luggage, but the coasters would make an ideal souvenir gift. But plenty of choice down here for souvenirs. Very, very pretty. fried banana. That's different. That's what I can. Okay, thank you. Okay.
กินซอส
Oh, that's not
ทอด
bad. Hot, but very nice. Delicious alloy. Very nice. Definitely want to try these. They are lovely. Oh, excellent. That is nice. Now, the normal fried banana is different to that style that they've got there, but that is delicious. Chicken and rice. And another kebab vendor. 2 down here, so you're not going to have any problems finding a kebab if you're after one. Definitely got to find me a new hat. I want to build up my collection. Don't see anything that's taking my fancy on that one. And this is back to near where we started. Now, of course, if you don't want to eat at the market, there are plenty of places. Eden, there, right next to the lagoon here in Boat Avenue. So there's plenty of choice for restaurants if you just want to come to the market and have a look for souvenirs and eat in a restaurant rather than the market. But I do highly recommend you check out the food on the market. It is very, very good. I know a few people are very apprehensive when it comes to eating on the market, but I can assure you, in all the time I've been coming to Thailand and living here, it's very, very rare do you get sick from eating food off the markets. Again, great souvenir. Now this is the sort of clothing you need here because it's so humid, sweating all the time. You want something nice and light, cotton shirt, perfect for this humidity over here at the moment. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Boat Avenue market on a Friday evening. Now it only takes place on a Friday, so do remember that. It says on Google that it starts at 4 and finishes at 10:30, but honestly I was here before 4 o'clock. They weren't set up, so I would say 5:30, 6 o'clock would be a better time to come to this market, because as you've seen, some of the stalls are still setting up and it's about 5:30 now. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if so, remember to give it a like. Of course, if you're new to my channel and you like this sort of content, then don't forget to subscribe. And I guess that just leaves me to say, from Boat Avenue, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon.